Come along as we do a little day hike up to Johns Meadow. Made it to Johns Meadow, and I want to show you what I brought up to make for lunch. So first off, I've got some Hormel chili in here. In that chili, I'm going to put some little smokies, and on top of that, some cheese. And that's not all. I also have a little bit of cornbread to eat with my chili. And then to top it all off, a little Stella. This is a Stella Spritzer Sparkling Dry Cider. Comes in these little cans. They are perfect for backpacking. So that's my little topper for my lunch. So on the PCT, when I brought out my Soda Windmaster, I brought out this little bad boy right here, which weighs nothing. That's a Triflex. And I was only boiling water. But now that I'm going to be doing a little bit more cooking with a chili, I brought out the, I'm going to call it the Quadplex. It's got 4 arms. A little bit more stable. And that way I don't have to worry about as much with my pot, with the wind or anything else knocking it over. So let's get to cooking. What are you making for lunch?
Making some carne asada. So I just cut that meat up there. It's all flat. The flank steak, real thin cut. So I'm gonna put that in my little frying pan here. Fry that up with some seasonings, soy sauce, a couple other things, and just put it in a pita wrap with avocado.
Let's try out this chili. Add that cheese. I've got the little smokies, which were the cheddar cheese ones. Let's try it. Damn. You had a little Matt, didn't you?
Huh?
He had the chili too. Really good.
Yeah, it was real good.
He's cooking up his feast over there, which looks even much better than this. A lot better. No chili is complete without a little bit of cornbread. Let's just dip a little bit in there. Got the cheese and everything. Wow. Really good. It's time to leave Johns Meadow. It's a beautiful spot up here. If you ever get a chance to come up here for a day hike, do it. You can see our spot here. It's a nice spot for camp or for tents to camp out at. Then right up in here, there's tons of places to camp as well. There's probably enough for about 10 to 12 tents up here. Maybe a couple more, but at least 10 to 12. But we're gonna head back now. It should be a fun hike out. We're on the way back now, and we had to deploy the rain jackets because it started to rain pretty good. Check the radar, and on the other side of Big Bear behind us is starting to rain really good with some thunderstorms. Oh, there's some thunder. Pretty nice. So working our way back to the car. Should get there dry, but we'll see. And now it's really starting to come down. Walking back to the truck now, and we've got hail. This has turned into one adventure here. And listen to that thunder. It's getting closer and closer. We're almost back though, so we should be good. We got about 10 minutes to get back to the car, maybe 15 minutes. Oh man, this is awesome. On our way back, I don't know if you can see it popping off of me, but that is some nice hail. I haven't been in a hailstorm in a long time. This is pretty cool. We're almost back to the car, or the truck. Oh man, oh, it stings a little. Well worth it. The ground's starting to turn white. Down there you can start to see them already piling up. There's Maddie. Try it back on me quick. Oh, there's some big ones in here. Woo-hoo. These are like pea size. Oh boy. Oh, there's lightning. Look at that. Whoa, doggy. Oh. Look at the ground. That's all hail. These are like pea size. The trail is white from all the hail. It's coming down really hard now. So we're almost back. I can see the parking lot. Dang. These are huge pieces of hail. You can see it bouncing off Matt up there. Pretty good. Well, we made it back to his truck. It's coming down pretty good, huh?
Yeah, that was pretty intense.
Yeah, that was something else out there. That hail was huge. It's got to be like pea-sized hail, maybe a little bit bigger in some of them. But we made it back safe and sound. Now it's time to head back down the mountain. And I hope you enjoyed this one, though. It was fun out there this time. Took a little bit of punishment for you there at the end, getting all that hail, but it was worth it. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. All that good stuff, comment below. Always appreciate it. So until the next one, thanks for having me.